Hey mama, if you're expecting your first baby and feeling a mix of excitement, fear, and about a million questions buzzing in your head, you're not alone. I've been there, pacing around the nursery at 2 a.m., Googling, is it normal if my newborn? On zero sleep. Trust me, the learning curve is steep, but that doesn't mean you have to fall face first into it. Let's walk through the 10 most common mistakes new moms make and, more importantly, how to sidestep them like a pro. 1. Ignoring your own needs. Many moms feel guilty prioritizing themselves, but neglecting your basic needs like sleep, nutrition, or even a 5-minute break will eventually catch up to you. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. How to avoid it? Build tiny self-care rituals into your day. Even a shower can feel like therapy when you're running on baby time. 2. Comparing yourself to other moms scrolling Instagram can be comforting or crushing. Perfect photos. Hide messy truths. How to avoid it? Unfollow accounts that trigger you. Follow real, supportive communities instead. Your journey is yours, and it's valid. 3. Over-Googling everything. It starts with a diaper rash and ends 3 hours later with a self-diagnosed apocalypse. How to avoid it? Stick to trusted sources like your pediatrician or reliable baby care apps. When in doubt, ask not search. 4. Trying to stick to a perfect routine too early. You read somewhere that newborns need a routine, and now you're panicking when the schedule goes off. How to avoid it? In the first few months, flexibility is key. Your baby's rhythm will guide the routine, not the other way around. 5. Not asking for help. Whether it's pride, guilt, or wanting to be a supermom, many moms suffer in silence. How to avoid it? Say yes when someone offers help, or even better, ask for it directly. You're not failing, you're human. 6. Expecting instant bonding. You expected fireworks when you first saw your baby, but instead felt overwhelmed or even numb. How to avoid it? Bonding is a process. Skin to skin, eye contact, and time help it grow. You're doing better than you think. 7. Underestimating how emotional it can be. Tears for no reason? Feeling disconnected? It's more common than you think. How to avoid it? Talk about your feelings. Journal. Seek support if things feel too heavy. Postpartum emotions are real, and they deserve attention. 8. Putting pressure on feeding choices. The breast versus bottle debate is exhausting. What matters most is that your baby is fed and you're sane. How to avoid it? Learn your options. Ask for guidance. Ditch the guilt. 9. Not trusting your gut. Everyone has advised your neighbor, your mom, strangers in line at Target, but none of them know your baby like you do. How to avoid it? Listen politely, but trust your instincts. You've got mama wisdom already inside you. 10. Thinking you have to love every minute you love your baby, but you may not love every poop explosion or 3 a.m. meltdown. How to avoid it? Normalize the struggle. Loving your baby and struggling with motherhood can and do coexist. So, if you're feeling like you're stumbling your way through motherhood, congratulations. That means you're in it. You're growing, learning, and showing up, which is exactly what your baby needs. If this video brought you even a tiny bit of relief or clarity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And Hydra, a comment below. Let's make this a space where moms support moms, because none of us should feel alone in this wild, beautiful chaos.